I'm recording.
Take another picture of me real quick, Madison, before it dies.
Smile, Hope.
Wait, take a picture of me and Hope right in front of it. Wait, let's take a picture of us.
He's gonna take a picture of us. Oh, this is
Very peaceful. My feet are so cold.
I brought my socks. I brought extra socks.
What?
No, don't videotape me.
Do you guys have hot cookies?
Hot cookies?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
But I can start something up before you take 2 minutes to cook.
That would be fantastic.
Okay, how many do you need?
How many do we need?
just do like, I don't know.
Can we get 6?
Sure can.
Alrighty. How do you feel about this, Savannah?
I'm not good at this. I just want a burger with everything on it.
Everything? Do you know what?
That it comes with.
Do you know what everything is?
No.
Well, you're about to get. It's like barbecue.
What are you getting on yours?
I just get lettuce and mayonnaise and
well,
cheese and bacon.
I don't want bacon on mine.
Okay.
I want tomatoes on mine though.
Tomatoes? What are your thoughts? How are you feeling?
I don't like burgers.
So you came to Five Guys, but you don't like burgers. Are you excited at least?
Yes. Wait, hang on, wait.
Are you excited?
Yes, bro, I want some fries.
What?
Really good.
Okay.
Damn, check it out. Okay, can you skip back some? Okay. Can you move your feet, please? Thank you.
Are you moving glow?
Yes. Yes, I will. Hey. Can I pluck your eyeball?
What? Yeah.
Ah!
You grabbed my skin.
I know.
Why do you have 2?
I know it's Megan's or your dad's.
Oh, Megan's. Oh my gosh.
They're like the first people in here to feed them and whatnot. Like they all like sworn people.
Whoa, no one just flew by.
The bird whisperer. Walk up there.
Take a pic.
Oh, you lean on your shoulder.
Oh my gosh.
Look, he's like such a dominant. This one is.
He's a mean bird.
He is mean.
Yeah.
There you go.
I want that white one up there. They're black.
Which one? Where?
Okay, you're coming back to the
Freaking you out?
Yes.
Why?
But you're really cute.
Wait, hold this. What's my food?
Hello there. Ahorita aquí.
Ugh, the dogs.
It's like this.
You need to be in the thing. Get it. Go on, girl. You know you want to tap that?
Oh my god. Jamas. Baby jamas.
Hello. I don't like it.